Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Now for today's video, we'll be looking at multiplying and dividing integers. What are integers? Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. For example, we have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now, when we think of integers, we think of a number line where the positive numbers go on to infinity and the negative numbers, they also go on. Now, when we are multiplying integers with the same sign, the result will always be positive. So whether it is two negative numbers or two positive numbers, or result or product will always be positive. For example, we have here we have positive 3 times positive 4, or answer would be positive 12. Also, we have -2 times -7, or answer is also a positive. In this case, it is positive 14. Now, when the signs are different, we will always get a product of being negative. So if we are multiplying a negative times a positive, for example, we have positive 5 times -6, our product will be negative, which is -30. And if we are multiplying -8 times positive 3, our product will be -24. Now, whenever we are multiplying by 0, our product will always be 0. So 0 times 7 will give us 0, and 0 times -2 will also give us 0. Now let's try some examples. So remember, we have two different signs here. We have a positive and we have a negative. Now, -4 times 8 would give us -32. Another one. Now we have positive 9 times positive 9. Now, because they are both the same signs, our answer should be positive. In this case, 9 times 9 would give us 81. Another one, we have two negative signs here, so therefore our answer should be positive. So -3 times -10, that will give us positive 30. And the last one, we have -7 times positive 5. We have two different signs, so our product should be negative. But 5 times 7 will give us 35, so our answer will be -35. Now we're on to dividing integers. Now, just as multiplying integers, once the signs are the same, for instance, we are dividing two positive numbers or two negative numbers, our product will be positive. So for example, we have 12 divided by 3, that will give us positive 4, and we have -20 divided by -5, our answer is still positive, and it is also positive 4. Now, when we have different signs, a positive and a negative, and we are dividing, our answer will be negative. So if we have positive 15 divided by -3, our answer will be -5. And if we have -24 being divided by a positive 6, our answer will be -4. Now, when we're dividing by 0, this is undefined. It is not allowed. Alright, so we will not get an answer. Now let's look at some examples. So here we have two different signs. We have -30 divided by positive 5. Our answer will be negative. And in this case, 5 into 30 will give us 6, so it's -6. Another one, we have positive 9 being divided by positive 9. Now, they are both the same signs, so our answer would be positive, but 9 into 9 would give us 1, so our answer is positive 1. We have two same signs here. We have -15 divided by -3. Now, because they're both the same signs, our answer will end up being positive. In this case, it will be a positive 5. And the last one here, we have two different signs. We have negative 18 being divided by positive 3. Now, two different signs, we know our answer will be negative, and 3 into 18 goes 6 times, so our answer will be negative 6. Now, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.